to a new place can be exciting, but also a little overwhelming. There are so many things to think about, from finding the right destination to figuring out what to do once you get there. But don't worry, ChatGPT is here to help. Here's how to use it for all your travel planning needs. Finding the right destination. The first step in planning any trip is figuring out where you want to go. ChatGPT can help you with this by providing information about different destinations. Simply ask, what are some popular travel destinations? And ChatGPT will give you a list of options to choose from. Researching your destination. Once you've decided on a destination, you'll want to know more about it. Ask ChatGPT about the local culture, history, and popular attractions. You can also ask about the weather, the best time to visit, and the cost of living. Planning your itinerary. ChatGPT can help you create an itinerary for your trip. Simply ask, what are the top things to do in destination? And ChatGPT will give you a list of recommendations based on your interests. You can also ask about specific activities such as hiking or visiting museums. Finding the best accommodation. ChatGPT can help you find the right place to stay during your trip. Ask about different types of accommodations such as hotels, hostels, or vacation rentals. ChatGPT can also provide information about the cost and location of each option. Getting around your destination. Once you've arrived at your destination, you'll need to figure out how to get around. ChatGPT can provide information about different transportation options such as public transit, taxi services, or rental cars. You can also ask about the cost and availability of each option. Eating and drinking. Food is an important part of any trip, and ChatGPT can help you find the best places to eat and drink in your destination. Ask about local cuisine, popular restaurants, and bars. You can also ask about food and drink prices, as well as dietary restrictions. Safety and security. When traveling to a new place, it's important to stay safe and secure. ChatGPT can provide information about the safety and security of your destination, including crime rates and areas to avoid. You can also ask about travel warnings and health concerns. By using ChatGPT for your travel planning, you can easily get the information you need to have a great trip. Whether you're looking for information about your destination, planning your itinerary, or finding the best places to eat and drink, ChatGPT is here to help. So why wait? Start planning your next adventure today.